a complete step-by-step guide for Netgear Range Extender setup. Welcome to DigitalMounts, solution to all your tech problems and digital marketing solutions. Okay, let's plug the Netgear Range Extender into the power outlet. And when you first do that, the power light is an amber or red in color, and after about a minute power light turns to green. Then we go ahead and move to computer screen. Go down to the Wi-Fi icon and click there. Our Netgear extender is in the list and currently it's connected to the Waifi network. And here is the Netgear extender link. Let's go up with it and check the connect automatically. And click on connect. It automatically takes me to the Netgear setup page. The website is www.mywifix.net. If in any case it doesn't take you to the Netgear extender page, manually open the browser window and type www.mywifix.net and press enter. You can check this website link in my description below. On the other side, you must have a look on the extender on the wall. You can see the light on the device has lit up. There are two green lights now. Let's go back to our new extender setup page. Click on the new extender setup. It takes to this page where you need to create an account and fill the information. When you completed it, just click on next. Here you are asked for help from Netgear Genie, or you want to complete the setup process manually? I highly recommend to click on yes, that I want to complete the setup process automatically by Netgear Genie. Here it is scanning for available networks nearby. And here's the list. Check your current Wi-Fi here. And let me tell you, this extender supports two bands that are 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. And once you finished, click on next. Here it is asking for my 2.4 GHz existing network. That's the same Wi-Fi password you are currently using to connect your laptop or desktop device. Once you finish, click on next. Here it allows you to customize your SSID name. So here I am changing my SSID to DM 2.4, that is DM for DigitalMounts 2.4. And here you can change your password or remain at the same as of your existing Wi-Fi password. Do the same on the 5 GHz extended network. I changed my SSID name to DM5, again DigitalMounts 5. Here again you can change your password or remain the same. Now click on next. Here your setup is completed and you get the details about the setup. When you're all done and satisfied, click the checkbox button and click the continue button after you connect your Wi-Fi devices. And now click on continue. Here we get the last page, where it says that you are not connected to your extender Wi-Fi network. And you can read this all information if you like. Now final step, we goes to our main screen and click on the Wi-Fi icon, and here we can see the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Here you can see I currently connected to my Waifi Wi-Fi network. And here are the two extenders DM 2.4 and DM5 networks. Let's connect to our DM 2.4 extender network. Uncheck the connect automatically and click on connect. Enter the password. It's the same password I used to connect my existing Wi-Fi network. click on next. And it verifies and you get connected to the new DM 2.4 Netgear Extender Wi-Fi. It's working now. You can check it by opening your browser. It's working. That's all. Before leaving, let me show you how your Netgear Extender looks like on the wall and power outlet. Here you can see all the 4 lights. That is power, device, WPS and router are all lit up and are green. Okay, that's all. Subscribe if you like the video. And press like and leave a comment in the comment box below. Thank you.